Guys, it's Shelper AG, and I just want to show you the skeleton outfit that I made at the end of last year. So I really didn't. Okay, so just giving you a close-up of it. What I did is I took a black t-shirt and I made a jumpsuit out of it, and then I used the iron-on stuff and white to do the bones. And I think it looks really cute. So just a comparison. Here's my little skeleton thing here, and there's my skeleton for American Girl doll. So far this year we have Misty as a skeleton and Meadow as a kitty cat. And who do you think's going to be next? Hope you like this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.